Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos. May we invite the President to lead the ceremonial switch-on of Spark San Juanico Aesthetic Light and Sound Project. May we also invite our honorable secretaries and officials to witness the ceremony. May we invite our distinguished guests and of course our President to please face the bridge. Ready for the countdown, Mr. President? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Of the San Juanico Bridge.
Thank you, Mr. President. May we invite our President and our guests for a photo opportunity.
President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos. Once again, we would like to remind everyone to please observe the following protocols. Ladies and gentlemen, to start the second part of our activity tonight, may we request everyone to please remain standing for the opening prayer to be led by Reverend Father Erwin Rodriguez, Parish Priest of Marabot, Samar.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Almighty and everlasting God, we humbly implore your holy presence and name. Through your mercy and compassion, bless all of us as we gather to inaugurate the lighting up of this historic bridge. We all know that without you, we can do nothing. Bless all those who labor for this project and endeavor. Send your holy angels from heaven to watch over, guide, and protect this bridge and those who cross over it. Be the eternal light of our path on this earthly journey. Bless our leaders, especially our beloved President, that he, together with our local officials, may continue to seek possible ways to build bridges in connecting lives and good relationship among us, ensure progress for all, especially the poor and the marginalized, and inspire each other until we reach our heavenly homeland. Through the intercession of our Blessed Mother Mary, Saint Joseph the Worker, and Saint Michael the Archangel, all these we ask through Jesus Christ, your Son, who lives and reigns with you and the Holy Spirit, one God forever and ever.
Thank you so much, Reverend Father Erwin Rodriguez. Everyone, you may now take your seats. At this juncture, may we invite Samar Governor Shari Ann Titan to deliver her welcome remarks.
His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Secretaries and Undersecretaries, our distinguished congressmen and congresswomen, my fellow governors and local chief executives, representatives of our national line agencies and partners, our esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. Maupay nga gabi haton nga tanan. In behalf of the people of Samar, I welcome you all to our beautiful province. With your kind indulgence, please allow me to be a little nostalgic as we stand before this historical bridge that has connected the people of Samar Island and Leyte since its completion in 1973. The San Juanico Bridge, or the Bridge of Love, as we Samarnon and Leyteños fondly call it, was the one that put us in the map, as it placed the two lush and scenic islands of Samar and Leyte in our elementary Civica at Cultura textbooks. Beyond the bridge, however, many Filipinos still know so little about us. our rich culture and diverse traditions, our mouth-watering cuisine, and the intense beauty hidden in the quaint towns. Tonight, we wish to change all of this. To begin, we are going to rewrite the San Juanico Bridge in our textbooks as the first bridge to have a computer-controlled aesthetic lighting with the static and dynamic or the dancing lights and sound show in the country. To emphasize the beauty of the bridge at night. This, in addition to being the longest bridge along the Pan-American Highway that connects Luzon to Visayas and Mindanao. Secondly, history tells us that it was the late President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. who commissioned the construction of the Bridge of Love. But do permit me to say that it is high time we also give due credit to his wife, former First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos. A true daughter of Leyte and a patroness of Samar, for her influence that became instrumental in connecting these two islands to the rest of the country. Mr. President, I wonder if ever crossed the mind of your mother and late father that one day the San Juanico Bridge that they gifted to the people of Samar and Leyte would shine so bright and be a symbol of hope and love for us all. To continue, during the post-Yolanda years, we saw the steady rise of our neighbors. Tacloban City and the province of Leyte, to us, they seemed like phoenixes rising from the ashes. At the wake of the destruction caused by Typhoon Yolanda. As we cheered them on and witnessed their magnificent transformation, we couldn't help but feel a little left behind. Their success inspired and motivated us to do and become better. In 2017, the provincial government of Samar started to conceptualize the Spark Samar Development Agenda that highlights tourism and agriculture, the two main assets of the province, as the main drivers for economic change, coupled with good governance as the key foundation to cut across all the pillars of our developmental goals that would eventually allow us to attain community transformation and economic prosperity for the people of Samar. To achieve this, we started fixing from within. For others to appreciate what we had to offer in Samar, first, we needed to have profound knowledge of our history as people and as a province. We did this through a cultural mapping. We took a deep dive into what Samar is really all about and discovered the abundance and intensity of beauty that we are now ready to offer and share with the rest of the country and the whole world. Tonight, as the San Juanico Bridge illuminates, this is the symbolic signal that Spark Samar is now a burning flame that shines like a beacon of hope for the people of Samar. Now it is our turn to rise and transform. With all of you as witness, we open the doors of Samar and invite the Filipino people and the rest of the world to visit our breathtaking sites, explore our mysterious caves, invest in our growing cities and emerging towns, taste our delectable cuisine, immerse in our passion-filled culture, and get to know our beautiful people. When the lights of the San Juanico Bridge start to shine tonight, remember me as I say, it's time for Samar, and Samar naman. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Spark San Juanico Aesthetic Light and Sound Show Lights Up ceremony. Welcome to Samar. Damo nga salamat ngan maupay nga gabi.
Thank you so much, Governor Tan. This time, may we invite the Chief Operating Officer of TIEZA, Honorable Mark D. Lapid, for his message.
To our esteemed guest of honor, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand R. Marcos, to our beautiful and tireless Secretary, Secretary Maria Cristina Esperanza Garcia Frasco, to our other Cabinet Secretaries, to our gracious host, Governor Sherry Antan of the Province of Samar, to our colleagues in government, partners in this joint endeavor, our guests and stakeholders, good evening to each and every one po. The San Juanico Bridge is a 2.164-kilometer truss bridge, which forms part of the Maharlika Highway and connects the three main islands of the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The San Juanico Bridge also serves an important role for both tourism and commerce of the islands of Samar and Leyte. It is called the Bridge of Love that enables the entire country to cross seamlessly to varied tourism destinations and economic centers in Region 8. Today, a few months short of its 50th anniversary, CHESA, together with the Department of Tourism and the province of Samar, is proud to showcase the culmination of years of hard work, coordination, and collaboration for the enhancement of the San Juanico Bridge as a vital road network and as a tourist attraction. The enhancement of the San Juanico Bridge was foreseen as a shining beacon of hope. After the Yolanda experience of the Waraynons, but the COVID-19 pandemic case and other set of challenges emerged. The project became a bridge of collaboration among different government agencies, a symbol that united the Waraynons. We are witnessing a new history unfolding that is aligned with the Philippine modern society. The pride that the bridge has brought to the Filipino in the 1970s shall be reignited. The aesthetic lighting of the San Juanico Bridge is now being launched by no less than our President, the son of the visionary behind this engineering wonder, and a son of Eastern Visayas. Let us celebrate the iconic bridge with dynamic lights and laser show. Indeed, it will spark tourism and commerce in Samar and Leyte and the entire Region 8. To each and everyone, sa lahat po sa inyo nandirito, maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Honorable Lapid. At this point, may we request the Department of Tourism Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco, to introduce the President.
Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr.
Thank you, Secretary Cristina Frasco, who is our tourism secretary. Please sit down. Our tourism secretary, and who is very happy to be here today because we have been over the past couple of weeks, starting all of these projects that she has been doing around the country. And this is another one that will be a big boost to tourism, as we have seen in many other cities. Public Works and Highways Secretary Manny Bunuan, the DILG Secretary Ben Hur Abalos, and a native, and the Secretary of Presidential Management Staff, Secretary Maria Naida Angpin, Samar 2nd District Representative Michael Tan, and other members of the House of Representatives here, many who I've not seen for a long time. Samar Province Governor Sherry Ann Tan, and the other governors that are here present, Santa Rita Municipal Mayor Jade Kitio Magallanes, Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez, the Tiesa Chief Operating Officer Mark Clapit, all my fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, maupay nga gabi haninyong tanan. It is my pleasure to welcome you all as we witness the lighting of an iconic landmark and a marvel of engineering, the San Juanico Bridge. First off, I would like to thank the local government of Samar for extending this kind invitation to witness this historic and also give me an excuse to come home for a little while. I could not pass up the chance to be here with you all today, as this bridge holds a special place in my heart, that it is one of the flagship projects completed during the administration of my late father. In fact, it was my father who spearheaded the inauguration of the bridge. So you can all imagine how genuinely delighted I am to be present to witness the lighting as your president. Beyond physically connecting the provinces of Samar and Leyte, the San Juanico Bridge has become a well-known landmark and a symbol of unity for the people of the two islands which it serves. Set against the picturesque San Juanico Strait and the beautiful Philippine sky, the bridge has always been a sight to behold. So much so that it has garnered fame and renown as a must-see attraction for Filipinos and foreign visitors alike. I thus stand here, eager to see this structure come to life once more as we witness its lighting with pride and with this celebration, thanks to the tireless efforts of today's organizers. With the recent completion of the San Juanico Aesthetic Lighting Project, I look forward to seeing the bridge turn into a true sight to behold, not just during the day, but now even in the dark at night. I look forward to the economic opportunities that will be simulated by this, as well as other Spark Summer initiatives in the near future. I eagerly anticipate the assistance it will bring for the complete recovery of the tourism industry in the Eastern Visayas and nearby areas. So I must extend my warmest congratulations and appreciation to the officials of both the provinces of Leyte and of Samar, the Department of Tourism, the Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority, and every single person who worked very well and tirelessly to maintain and further beautify this already impressive bridge. The joint efforts of both the government and non-government entities in this endeavor are commendable. And it is these particular partnerships which we have tried to encourage as we begin to transform the economy of the Philippines in a post-pandemic world. And so you, once again, have led the way. It is fundamental in our pursuit of programs, this kind of cooperation that you have done, and programs and projects that will boost the tourism and economic development of Samar and Leyte. After all these years, after overcoming postponements and restrictions brought about by the pandemic, the result of your dedication and perseverance will now be shown in its full glory. Every day henceforth, this bridge will stand, as it has stood since the beginning, as a staunch reminder of the rewards awaiting our collaborative endeavors. And come nighttime, as people are mesmerized by the wonderful display put up at this scenic spot, let it exemplify how we hold the power to add value, purpose, and grace unto our nation. Let the lights of this bridge also signal our resolve to make our islands even more connected by filling its gaps with displays of ingenuity, creativity, and openness, so that progress may move freely among us. With this, it is my earnest desire that this event will encourage the local governments of Samar and Leyte, its people, as well as every Filipino, to pursue programs that will not only result to significant enhancements to our infrastructure, but will also pave the way for long-lasting impacts in the lives of our fellow Filipinos. I would also like to point out to our good governor that San Juanico Bridge was not built for Leyte. San Juanico Bridge was built for Samar. The San Juanico, I remember it very well because my mother was saying, as you said, you watched the development of Leyte, of Tacloban. And, and this I'm talking before Yolanda. And the progress that was being brought to Leyte. And she was saying, it only arrives hanggang Leyte lang. Ika niya, sabi niya, bakit naman hanggang Leyte lang? E paano yung mga waray na nasa Samar? And that is why it was very, very important that this bridge be built to give Samar some of the advantages that Tacloban has, that the province of Leyte has. And so, as you to respond to your cry na Samar naman, I would like to say, dati pa naman, Samar na. Rest assured that this administration will stay the course to provide whatever you need to enhance, preserve, and showcase the best that you have to offer. It's my hope that in everything we do, even the most mundane activities in our daily lives, let it be our goal to enrich other people's lives. Let us contribute in whatever way we can. In the coming days, this bridge and its vibrant lights will welcome motorists, will welcome visitors who will cross it as a welcome sight for those seeking relaxation or release. But for now, I share a childlike excitement with you as we have watched the bridge light up the night and show us all its splendor and glory in the night. Once again, my warmest congratulations to everyone here. And let us enjoy the show. Damo salamat, maupay nga gabi kaninyong tanan.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. May we request the President to grant a photo opportunity. Also, may we request the PMS, DOT, DPWH, DILG Secretaries, Governor Shari Ann Titan, and COO Mark Lapid to join the President. prepare the governors of Eastern Visayas. Thank you, Secretaries and Governor Shari Ann Titan and COO Mark Lapid. Please exit to your right. Next, may we request the governors of Eastern Visayas. Next, please prepare the representatives of the districts of Samar and Leyte. Thank you so much. Please exit to your left. Next, may we request the representatives of the districts of Samar and Leyte. Next, please prepare the officials of the Department of Tourism. Thank you so much. Please exit to your left. Next, may we request the officials of the Department of Tourism. May we request the officials of the Department of Tourism. Next, please prepare the officials of TIAZA. Thank you so much. Please exit to your right. Next, may we request the officials of TIAZA. Next, please prepare the Vice Governors of Region 8 and Mayors of Tacloban City and Santa Rita, Samar. Thank you so much. Please exit to your right. Next, may we request the Vice Governors of Region 8 and Mayors of Tacloban City and Santa Rita, Samar. Next, please prepare the Directors and staff of DOT and DPWH. Thank you so much. Please exit to your right. Next, may we request the Directors and staff of DOT and DPWH. Once again, thank you so much, Mr. President. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the second part of the ceremonial switch-on of the Park San Juanico Aesthetic Light and Sound Project. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos.